Hey, what's up everybody? Fluffy HD or Mike here. Today bringing you a new tutorial on how to get onto the terminal plane. So first thing you want to do is get any class. I'm just showing you my class here. And then you're pretty much set to go. It doesn't matter, you don't need any marathon or lightweight. But now we're going to get into the tutorial. So basically what you want to do is you want to go over to the plane slide, and I have my hands here. Yeah, you guys love this, don't you? And you want to just aim up and jet up, and then you want to back up slightly, a very slight amount, and you want to press tap back and then tap left. And I'm going to replay this in slow motion because a lot of people are having trouble with this, and it only took me about half an hour to get it most every try, like 1 out of every 2 tries. So I'm going to play this back in slow-mo for you guys so you guys can see how to do it exactly. So once again, what you're going to do is you're going to want to aim down there. You're going to want to jump and then tap back and left really fast, and if you do it fast enough you'll hit right in between the barrier and get on the door, and then you can just sprint jump up, which I managed to fail here for 1 jump. So that's basically it, guys. It's not too hard, but the remainder of the clips are some other things. I just show you in depth again how to do it. It's really not hard, guys. It's systematic and it's mechanical. You have to jump, press back, press left as fast as you can, and if you do it on the exact timing you will get up with ease. So I mean yeah, by the way, this was not found or created by me. I just created this tutorial. I don't know who the original founder was of this, but it was not me, but I was like the second person to put up a tutorial on YouTube. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and these are some of the things you can do with the shot once you get up on the plane. And this is much easier to get up on the plane than the other way, which is a knife, because you can't do that in a public match or running. So thanks guys, rate, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed, and there will be a tutorial every day. Alright, goodbye guys.